Hello, I'm Camille Rouvray, Product Manager on the Telehandlers. I'm very pleased today to introduce the ULM, which is so compact and light that it can be transported on a small trailer. ULM means Ultra Light Manitou. 4 is for more than 4 meters lift height. 15 is for 1.5 tons capacity, and H is for hydrostatic transmission. Our goal with this machine is to make it profitable for our customers. And to make it profitable, we worked on different axes. The first axis, the versatility. The machine is versatile, first because it is available in 2 versions. The 1.25 tons capacity version. The second version is a 1.5 tons capacity version. So you can handle different kind of pallets, for instance, pallets of bricks or pallets of blocks. Second thing to make the machine versatile is the compactness of the machine. The machine has an overall width of 1.49 meters and an overall height of 1.90 meters, so it can pass through very exiguous space. Still about versatility, the machine is adapted to rough terrains. For instance, you have a 29 centimeters ground clearance. It's very high for such a machine. You have an oscillating rear axle. You have front mud guards as standard and the possibility to add rear mud guards in option. You have the possibility to choose between different kind of tires to adapt to the different kind of brands. And on top of that, you have a full range of attachments adapted to different kind of jobs and different kind of environments. And you have the possibility to choose between 3 types of carriages: the 4-point carriage, the skid steer carriage, which is here, and the Euro carriage. The second axis to make the machine profitable is the robustness. The machine is small, but it is also strong. Look at the boom head. There is a very big boom head. Plus, the tilting cylinder is well protected at the back of the boom. You also have no hoses outside the boom. Everything is inside the boom, so well protected. And here, that's a small detail, but you have tire valve protection. So once again, all protections to make the machine robust. We spoke about versatility, robustness, third axis to make the machine profitable, the optimized maintenance. For instance, here you have a small plate that you can remove if you need to clean dust or straw inside the engine compartment. We also have a very wide engine bonnet to have an easy access to all the engine components. At the back of the machine, you have an easy access to the fuel tank feeder and to the hydraulic oil tank feeder. We decrease the capacity by 25% by putting an anti-emission filter. So you need less hydraulic oil and you save money. Nothing to do with maintenance, but on this machine there is no hydraulic compensation cylinder. Instead of a hydraulic compensation, there is here an electronic compensation. So the machine is smaller, it is lighter, and you need, once again, less hydraulic oil. Another point about maintenance is the easy access to the battery just under the cab. You also have a machine which is connected, so when you share information with your dealer, you prepare your maintenance in advance, you save time and you save money. We spoke about profitability with the versatility, the robustness, and the optimized maintenance. Another point which is very important at Manitou is your safety. To make the machine safe, we worked on different details. One thing is a fixed part here, just on the cap, to avoid hitting the mirror when you access the cap. Plus, you have a direct access to the cap without any step. On the ULM machine, we removed the roof grid. It was replaced by a polycarbonate roof window, which is both very strong and transparent. So you have a very good visibility on the load, and the machine complies with FOB standards. On the right-hand side of the machine, there is no pillar. The engine bonnet is very low and there are no hoses outside the boom, so there is a very clear visibility on the right-hand side of the machine. The machine is equipped as standard with an automatic parking brake for increased safety, and you have an operator presence sensor on the joystick. There is also a driver assistance with a full range of pop-ups on the screen. Here you can see the steering mode selector. You can choose as standard between 3 steering modes, so that when you are on the road you can safely drive in 2-wheel steer, and when you need to maneuver you can choose between 4-wheel steer or crab mode. We spoke about profitability, safety, but your comfort is also very important. On this machine, you have a floating armrest. You have the famous ergonomic joystick, the Manitou JSM. You have air vents which are well positioned just at the front or just there. And if you need to rest your arm, that's also possible, just like that.